Have you ever looked at someone else and thought, gee, I wish I had a little more hair like he does? Well, now you can get that extra hair to cover your thinning areas the same way he did by undergoing the new Systems 1 process from HRS. The Systems 1 process adds just the right amount of hair back into your balding areas, just enough to improve your appearance, but not so much to make people know you've done anything. Treat the Systems 1 process just like you do your growing hair, because the Systems 1 process looks, acts, and feels like real growing hair. You're the only one who'll know the difference. So if wondering what others would think has kept you from investigating hair replacement, here's the hair replacement technique that will end that worry forever. The new non-surgical Systems 1 process from HRS. It's something to think about the next time you think about your hair loss problem.
Call now for more information about permanent hair from Hair Replacement Systems. Operators are standing by. 1-800-321-3500.